Welcome to my channel, Flights Assistance. Qantas retires 717 and announces major updates. Qantas is retiring its Boeing 717 fleet as part of a major fleet renewal strategy, replacing them with newer, fuel-efficient Airbus A220s. This move aligns with Qantas's sustainability goals and aims to enhance passenger experience on domestic routes, marking a significant shift in the airline's regional operations. Boeing 717 retirement. Qantas recently announced it will retire its fleet of Boeing 717s by mid-2024, ending a nearly 23-year era for these jets. The decision is part of a larger fleet renewal plan aimed at increasing efficiency and reducing carbon emissions. Introduced in 2002, the 717 became popular for short-haul domestic routes across Australia, especially in regional areas. These jets, known for their durability and reliability, will be replaced by Airbus A220s, which offer more fuel efficiency, quieter engines, and better cabin experiences. The A220s also have longer range, which opens up more direct routes between smaller cities. Transition to A220s and A321XLRs. The transition from the Boeing 717s to Airbus A220s and A321XLRs is part of Qantas's ambitious Project Winton, aimed at renewing its domestic fleet. With plans to introduce over 100 new aircraft over the next decade, Qantas is betting on the A220 and A321XLR's modern technology and efficiency. The A220 offers a 25% reduction in fuel burn per seat compared to the 717, aligning with Qantas's goal to achieve net zero emissions by 2050. These aircraft also offer better passenger experiences with wider seats and larger windows. Record-breaking aircraft orders. In May 2022, Qantas placed its largest ever aircraft order, with up to 134 new Airbus planes expected by 2034. This includes 20 Airbus A321XLRs and 20 A220-300s for domestic flights, with options for even more to be added in the future. The A321XLR, with its extended range, will support international and domestic routes, providing Qantas the flexibility to open new direct routes to distant destinations. This is also a significant financial commitment, showcasing Qantas's confidence in travel demand recovery and its strategy for competitive domestic operations. Project Sunrise. Beyond domestic upgrades, Qantas long-haul Project Sunrise aims to connect cities like Sydney and Melbourne directly to New York and London using Airbus A350-1000s. These ultra-long-haul flights, set to launch in 2025, are designed to redefine long-haul travel. Each aircraft will feature premium-focused cabins with lie-flat seats, advanced air filtration, and enhanced lighting, intended to improve passenger comfort on these 20-hour flights. Qantas Frequent Flyer Program Overhaul. In addition to fleet upgrades, Qantas is revamping its Frequent Flyer program to offer members more options and value. This includes new partnerships with retailers and banks, enabling members to earn points beyond just flights. Qantas also launched a Green Frequent Flyer tier, rewarding passengers who make sustainable travel choices, like carbon offsetting and selecting lower-emission flights. Financial recovery. Post-pandemic. Qantas has shown a remarkable post-pandemic financial recovery. The airline returned to profitability in 2023, following significant restructuring efforts that included cutting costs and optimizing routes. With a new CEO, Vanessa Hudson, Qantas is focusing on efficiency, sustainability, and customer experience improvements to maintain its position as a leading global airline. Customer experience enhancements. Qantas is investing in modernized in-flight services, including high-speed Wi-Fi on domestic flights and upgraded lounges across major airports. The airline is also reintroducing pre-pandemic perks like meal service upgrades and complimentary amenities, aiming to enhance the overall passenger experience. In summary, Qantas is making substantial changes to its fleet and services. With the retirement of the Boeing 717, the introduction of modern Airbus models, and ambitious projects like Sunrise, Qantas is positioning itself as a forward-thinking airline focused on efficiency, sustainability, and customer satisfaction. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.